So if you want to change the App Store region on your iPhone or iPad, it's actually very simple and it's recommended to keep your iOS up to date. So the first thing you need to do is open up the App Store and you want to click on your profile icon in the top right. This should take you to the update page, and from here you want to click on your profile at the very top. Once you are on the account section, you then want to click on country/region, and this should be somewhere in the middle of the page. From here it's going to give you a brief overview of what's going to happen next. On the next page you want to select the new country or region that you want to change it to. So in this case I'm going to change it from the United Kingdom to the United States. Because you've changed your region, you will then be asked to agree to the new terms and conditions. So once you've read through this, you want to click on agree in the top right. And on the prompt you want to click on agree. Now you're going to be asked to fill out some new information for the new region change. Now you can always enter in a new payment method. However, if you don't want to do that, you can just click on none, but you will be required to enter in a billing name and a billing address. Now if you don't know a billing address for that specific region, you can always just go on Google and search for a specific address. So in this case I've got one from the United States, and once you've filled it in you want to click on done in the top right. You will then be taken to the App Store homepage, where it will be instantly changed to the new country/region. As you can see, it's telling me that I can search for HBO Max, and I can go ahead and download that right now, which I couldn't do in the United Kingdom. Of course, if you want to change the region back to how it was before, the same process still applies. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you have any questions or comments, just leave a comment below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a good day.